Welcome to the Yealink T48S phone training. In this training, we will go through the physical features of the phone, go over call handling, which includes making and answering calls, putting calls on hold, parking and unparking, transferring and conferencing. I will then show you how to access the phone directory and use Do Not Disturb. Finally, we will go through how to set up and access voicemail. We will start with the physical features of the phone. In the upper right-hand corner, there is a message indicator light. This will light up red when you have a new message waiting. There are programmable buttons down either side of the LCD screen that can be used for incoming lines, speed dials, or other telephony functions. The LCD display shows your extension, the date, and the time. It also shows soft key functions and will display the caller ID when you have an incoming call. The soft keys are icons located at the bottom of the LCD screen. They change depending on what you are doing with the phone. The keypad is standard of any phone. However, to send a number faster, you can press the pound key. The navigation keys let you scroll through menu options. The volume button allows you to adjust the volume settings for your handset, headset, speaker, or ringer. The headset button will light up if you are using your headset. The mute button allows you to mute yourself. You can still hear the other party while this is pressed. It will light up red when it is activated. If you press the message button, it will call voicemail. To put a call on hold, press the hold button. Press the redial button twice to call the last person that you dialed. Press the button once for a list of the last few people that you called. Press the transfer button to transfer an active call to someone else. Press the speaker button to use the speakerphone option. To place a call using the handset, pick up the handset. For an internal call, dial the extension. To place an external call, dial the 10-digit number. To end a call, hang up the handset. To place a call using the speakerphone, for an internal call, dial the extension and press Send. To place an external call, dial the 10-digit number and press Send. To end a call, press the speaker button. To place a call using your headset, for an internal call, dial the extension and press Send. To place an external call, dial the 10-digit number and press Send. To end a call, press the headset button. If the information is available, the caller's name and number will appear on your display when you have an incoming call. To answer a call using the handset, pick up the handset. To answer with a headset, press the Answer soft key. There must be a headset plugged in for this to work. To use the speakerphone, press the Answer soft key or the speaker button. To place a call on hold, press the Hold soft key or the Hold button. To retrieve a call from hold, press the Resume soft key or press the flashing line key. To redial the last person that you called, press the Redial button twice. To get a list of your calls, press Redial once, or press the History soft key to get a list of all incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Using the navigation keys, scroll through and select the person that you would like to call back, and select Send. To park a call while on an active call, press the pre-programmed Park button. To retrieve a parked call, press the red Park button. To send an incoming call to voicemail, press the Reject soft key while your phone is ringing. To divert a call while your phone is ringing, press Forward and dial the extension or number you would like to forward the call to. To do a blind transfer while on a call, press the Transfer button or Transfer soft key. Press a speed dial, dial an extension, or a full 10-digit number, and press Transfer again. To complete a consult transfer while on a call, press the transfer button or transfer soft key. Press a speed dial, dial an extension or a full 10-digit number, stay on the line and announce the call, then hang up or press transfer to complete the transfer. To transfer to someone's voicemail while on a call, dial 8 and the extension. To create a conference call while on a call, press the conference soft key. Press a speed dial, dial an extension, or dial the full 10-digit number you would like to add. Announce the conference to the third party and press the conference soft key to join the calls. To access your company directory, press the directory soft key. Select Network Contacts. Select Extensions, and using the navigation keys, scroll through and select the person you wish to call and click Send. To set your phone to go straight to voicemail, press the DND soft key. This will show a small red Do Not Disturb symbol in the top center of your screen. To turn off Do Not Disturb, press the DND soft key again. To forward calls to another number, press the Menu soft key. Select Features. Select Call Forwarding. Choose Always Forward. Choose Enable and type in the extension or number you would like to forward to. To change your ringtone, press the Menu soft key and select Basic. Select Sound. Choose Ringtones. Select the extension and choose a ringtone. To see how to program buttons, please see the COM Portal video. To update your phone to include the buttons you program through the portal, press Update. To see more speed dials, press the More button. This will fill your screen with speed dial buttons to choose from. To set up your voicemail, press the Message button. Enter in your PIN. The default is 2417. You will be prompted to change your PIN. It must be between 4 and 6 digits long, non-sequential, or repeating. Verify your new PIN. Record your name when prompted, and record your greeting. Congratulations! You have finished the Yealink T48S phone training. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.